Hi, this is Kanika. I did Millets for Health workshop online. In the last few years, when my parents got unwell, I started looking online, why this kind of the obesity, the lifestyle we are leading is not so healthy, especially in metro cities. So I started looking at, how my food can be the medicine. And that's when in my search, I found about Millets for Health and I joined their workshop and it has been a game changer for me. मैंने इससे पहले कभी भी अपनी किचन में 2 या 3 मिलेट्स के से ज़्यादा कभी सुना नहीं था. इस वर्कशॉप में because of Pallavi I came to know there are about 9 varieties of millets and this workshop helped me to understand them and how to play with them in the kitchen and how to feed those nutritious millets to my kid, from ragi malt to sattu drink to risotto made of barnyard millet to kodo millet salad. I have tried everything and it is so nutritious. In the last 20 years, I think we have forgotten our roots. The entire market scenario has changed. This workshop really helped me, to break that barrier and I completely enjoyed it.